Sometimes I hide from the world outside. I believe in silence without quarrel or whistles. I choose a path, I decide with care. I try my best until I succeed or fail. Tomorrow, today.
To learn, to teach, to remember, to discover, to invent, to move and to pull forward, to lift, to push, to hold on,
To let go. This is life. Under the moon, I touch your hand, I hold it tight. I sometimes let go of what isn't meant to seem. Sometimes you suffer, then you heal, it appears. But everything that lives will one day die. That is life.
to learn, to teach, to remember, to discover,
To discover.
to invent, to move and to pull forward, to lift, to push, to hold on.
To let go. This is life. Under the moon, you are born. You marry out of love. Sometimes you divorce and carry a different sorrow. You promise you refuse. You accept the deed. You offer help. You invite friends out for the meal. What do you mean? Can you explain that? I don't expect much. I hope for the best. Sometimes a glass falls, it breaks on the floor, but nothing is stolen here behind that door. And so I